Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to reset Roblox password. I wonder why you want to know how to reset Roblox password. Maybe because you have forget your password and now you're trying to log into your account. Or maybe you just want to reset so that you could re-secure your account. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can reset your Roblox password. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Roblox app. In case you don't have one, you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. Once the app gets open, it will take you to this page. At the top, you could see the icon of the Roblox app and these two options. Simply click onto the login and you will get to the login page. There you could see your username. In case you couldn't see, you can type yours. And instead of adding the password, you have to look onto the second last option which says forget password or username. This option is in white color. You just have to simply tap onto this option and then it will take you to the another page, and there you could easily reset your password by adding your account details. Here it says forget password or username. You have to click on password because we are here to reset the password, and down below you have to add the contact number that you used to create your account. In case you have used email address instead of contact number like I did, there is an option at the down of the page. With the help of that option, you can easily add your email address and then it will send a verification code to it. So here you have to add your email address and then it will send a mail to that email and it will also notify you there. So you just have to simply click onto this OK option. After that, you have to go to your mail, open a mail that says reset password and it is sent by Roblox. So here you can see this is the email that I have received from Roblox. You have to click onto this reset password option and it will take you to the browser. There you can easily reset your password by just creating a new one. So what you have to do here is that here we have two options. First you have to create a new password and then you have to again type the same password to confirm that you have added the correct password. Make sure you create a strong and secure password. Once you have added the password, just simply click onto this submit option. Once you do that, this password will be submitted as your new password and for future you will use that password. So here it just got back to your account. That means you have successfully reset your Roblox password. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can reset Roblox password. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.